Beijing. The sprawling capital of China, Beijing is known for both its historic ancient sites and its gleaming modern buildings. Dating back 3 millennia, this city truly seems to have the best of both worlds. Start at the massive Tiananmen Square, one of the world's largest pedestrian plazas, featuring the mausoleum of Mao Zedong and the 37-meter tall monument of the People's Heroes. To one side lies the National Museum of China, which looks at Chinese history and has over 1 million artifacts. Nearby lies the famous Forbidden City complex, which was an imperial palace during the Ming and Qing dynasties. Entering through the Meridian Gate, you can see its palace museum and the many fascinating buildings within. You can also head to Jingshan Park and Beihai Park just to the north to get amazing views of the Forbidden City. Further to the north, you can see the historic Shikahai district set along the Qianhai, Zihai and Haohai lakes. It is full of narrow old streets or hutongs lined with boutiques and cafes. Don't miss the Prince Gong Mansion, a grand Saiyuan-style mansion that dates back to 1777 and now houses a museum, and Galu and Songlu reconstructions of 15th century watchtowers. You can also visit the Beijing Temple of Confucius, the second largest Confucian temple in China, and the nearby Yonghe Temple, a Tibetan Buddhist temple and monastery, as well as the Temple of Earth, one of the 4 temples of Beijing that were built during the Ming Dynasty. On the other side of the city is the Temple of Heaven, which emperors of the Ming and Qing dynasties visited to pray for a good harvest. Longevity Hill and Kunming Lake near the edge of the city are home to the Qing Dynasty Summer Palace, known for its ornate temples, residences and gardens. Also check out the Capital Museum with collections of ancient porcelain, bronze and art, and the 798 Art Zone with its modern galleries. The Beijing Zoo and the Beijing Olympic Park are also worth a visit. Popular excursions from Beijing are trips to nearby sections of the iconic Great Wall of China at Badaling or Mutianyu and Jinggu. You can also visit a cluster of Ming Dynasty tombs near Dengenzmen along the way. Beijing is a city that is so rich in heritage and modernity that it's truly difficult to get bored here.